Well, hello folks. Welcome back to the Learning Network. Happy 2021. It's been a while since I posted a video, but here I go again. So for this video, we will be reviewing a very popular application among system administrators called Putty. Putty. Here we go. Here's the icon. And what Putty is just a nice little utility, and it's free. You can use this to connect to your Linux boxes, Linux or Fedora or Ubuntu, whatever Unix version you're running. Linux version you're running, you can use Putty. So here I am going to connect using Secure Shell. I could also connect if I want to use Telnet too, but right now let's just do Secure Shell. So I type in the address, the host address of the machine I want to connect to, and I'm using a private network, so it's just for learning purposes or for training purposes. So that's what I usually do. And of course, everyone knows that Secure Shell runs off of port 22. And these are all the settings. Well, I'll go back over that in a little while. So go ahead and click open. And it should give me a prompt, as you can see. Now I'm actually logging into that remote box. And I'm just going to log in with my administrator password. I don't really like logging in as root. KMT. And I'll put my password correctly, hopefully. And now, as you can see, I should be logged into. There was a little delay, but I am now actually logged into my remote machine, and this is the directory where it led me to. So now it will give me an option to type my Unix commands, as you can see. There we go. And if I do, let's say if config, I'm actually logged into that box, and I can just do all my administrative duties right from here on the other machine, the local host, using my nice little Putty utility. Now, if I wanted to do, let's say du, I think it's du. Yes, it's du. If I want to do df, all those commands are there. All right. So that's it for the quick demonstration of how to log into a remote Unix box or Linux box using the Putty utility. So let's exit this for a minute so I can go over some features of Putty for you real quick. Just gonna exit to close this option out. Alright, so now let's bring up Putty again. And if you look here, this first option, you'll see we have ability to configure Putty just the way we want. There's the Putty log right there. I'm not going to go to it, but these are some of the nice little features. You can flush your log frequently. You can turn that off. You can also play around with some of your password features. Terminal keyboards gives you an option to change your terminal settings around. By default, it's going to go to the escape command, and you can actually turn it into a VT100 keyboard. All those little nifty features. Appearance, you can play around with your appearance as well. If you want your background to appear a different color, or your cursor links, all that fun stuff there. You can you can just go through this yourself, but I just kind of want to show you what the features are. And very important. You also want to go through the Secure Shell features. Make sure you're connecting properly, right? Make sure your settings are set up really correctly. X11 tunnels, if you want to do a little configuring on your tunnel settings, you can do that as well. IP4, IP6, all that fun stuff. So that's it for the quick demonstration of Putty. All right, we'll see you soon with the next fun video relating to utilities that we can use for our Linux operating systems. Have a great day. Make sure you click that subscribe button. I see that my subscribers have been growing, so I want to thank all of you who have already subscribed. And please tell your friends, your family, and whoever you wish to tell in reference to learning about the Learning Network. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.